Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best foot scrubber is probably one of the most underrated self-care tools out there. If you're tired of rough, cracked heels and calluses, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of foot scrubbers, specifically designed for extra rough feet. We'll explore what makes a great foot scrubber, how to use it effectively, and which ones are worth your hard-earned money. Get ready to say goodbye to those rough patches and hello to baby soft feet. Number 5. Colossal Foot Rasp Foot File and Callus Remover. This is the perfect tool for achieving soft and smooth feet. It's designed to remove hard skin, calluses, and cracked heels with ease. The results will amaze you. You can use it on both wet and dry feet, offering flexibility and convenience. This allows you to choose the method that best suits your needs and preferences. The design is large yet lightweight, making it easy to handle and control. This allows for quick and effective removal of dead skin, giving you amazing smoothness. Made with high-grade stainless steel, this tool is built to last. It is designed to work gently on dead skin and thick calluses, providing excellent results. Remember to use it gently and follow the manufacturer's directions for the best results. Avoid applying too much pressure while using it. What we like. This foot file works equally well on wet or dry feet, giving you flexibility. It's designed for gentle motions, making it safe and effective. If you're looking for a versatile tool that fits your routine, this is the one for you. What people say. Works quickly and comfortably. Removes stubborn calluses with ease. Quickly removes dead skin for super soft feet. Just be careful because this file works very well and can make you sore if you overdo it. Use this for clean the bottom of partner foot. It was easy to use, durable and very good quality. Number 4. Aimiduo Foot File Callus Remover Pedicure Kit. This kit is designed to give you smooth, healthy feet. It includes everything you need for a professional pedicure experience at home. The kit comes with 2 foot files, a sharp foot scrub and a 2-sided foot rasp. This allows you to tackle different levels of roughness on your feet. It's the perfect solution for removing dry, hard, cracked heels and foot corns. This tool will leave your feet feeling soft and rejuvenated. The pedicure tools have a built-in storage to collect the shavings. This keeps your space clean while you use it. The foot scrubber is made of high-grade stainless steel and plastic, making it washable and reusable. You can easily clean it after each use. With the Aimiduo scraper, it's easy to use and clean. In just a few minutes, it will remove dead skin and calluses, revealing smoother skin. What we like. This kit comes with multiple tools, offering a complete foot care solution. It also features a built-in dead skin catcher, keeping your space clean. If you value convenience and a tidy experience, you'll love how easy it is to use and clean. What people say. The product works very well. The foot grater is easy to use and effective. It removed all the dead skin from my feet. Number 3. 36-in-1 Pedicure Kit for Home and Salon. This kit comes with 36 tools, including foot rasps, cuticle pushers, and nail clippers. It has everything you need for a professional pedicure experience at home. It's designed to meet all your foot care needs. Made from stainless steel and ABS material, this set is sturdy and durable. Each tool is designed for a specific function, and the lightweight design makes it comfortable to hold and easy to operate. You can use it anywhere. The kit comes with a plastic box for easy storage and portability. Its perfect size and lightweight make it ideal for travel and daily use. Take it with you wherever you go. This foot file kit is suitable for spa treatments, foot baths, and personal foot care. It also makes a fantastic gift for anyone who loves foot care, perfect for birthdays, Christmas, or Mother's Day. If you are not satisfied with the product, please let us know. We are always available to help. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. What we like. This kit includes a whopping 36 tools, covering all your pedicure needs. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, and its compact size makes it perfect for travel. If you are looking for a comprehensive and portable solution for foot care, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The product works very well. It is easy to use. The design is great. Number 2. Kinepi Foot File Callus Remover. This foot file is made with non-slip beech wood and natural corundum stone. The sturdy design ensures it won't break easily, and it offers long-lasting durability. It also comes with after-sale service. The ergonomic, non-slip handle makes it easy to use. This design allows you to quickly and effectively remove dry skin. It ensures a secure grip while you work. Designed with natural corundum stone, it easily removes thick calluses and rough skin. This double-sided tool is ideal for both toenail and fingernail care, leaving your feet smooth and beautiful. This foot callus remover can be used on wet or dry feet, providing equally good results. For best results, soak your feet for 5 to 10 minutes to soften calluses before use, making removal easier and more comfortable. It effectively removes layers of dead skin, dirt, and impurities. Regular use promotes smoother feet and helps prevent the buildup that leads to rough calluses. Use it 2 to 3 times a week for best results. What we like. This foot file is made with premium materials, ensuring durability and effectiveness. The non-slip handle provides a secure grip, and it works well on both wet and dry feet. If you like a reliable and comfortable tool for your foot care routine, you should consider this. What people say. The product works very well. It is easy to use. The design is great. Number 1. PedEgg Classic Foot File. Tired of expensive salon visits? This product offers an affordable at-home solution for foot exfoliation. You can save money while still achieving smooth, soft feet. Forget harsh foot files. This product is designed to be gentle, safe, and painless. It effortlessly removes dead skin, leaving your feet feeling refreshed. No more messy cleanups. This product features a built-in cup that collects skin shavings. Simply empty it into the trash when you're finished. This product's ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip. You can exfoliate your feet without hand cramping, making the process easy and enjoyable. This product is equipped with 135 precision microblades. They gently shave away the top layer of skin, revealing the smooth, soft skin underneath. What we like. This foot file is designed to be gentle and painless, making your experience comfortable. It also features a built-in collector for mess-free use. If you like a simple, easy-to-use, and mess-free solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The product works very well. It is easy to use. The design is great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.